So we are here with Ford hitting our 6-month milestones. I can't believe it has been 6 months already and what a whirlwind it has been. So I am Kelsey Baas, Doctor of Physical Therapy and founder of Compleo Kids. Today we're going to be reviewing 6-month milestones. Remember, everything is a big range. So kind of use this as a guideline, but your child may be a little bit behind or a little bit ahead of where we are today. So one of the big things that is going to start emerging around the 6 to 8 month mark is sitting. So Ford has just started in the past week sitting independently. Hi, what are you looking at? He's really interested in these lights over here. We also are getting much more socially engaged and aware of our environment. So when we're working on sitting, they can definitely give you a false sense of security and topple quickly. So make sure you're not walking away yet from the sitting. As we've talked about in other videos, the lower you're supporting them, the more they're working. So you want to start up high, and when they feel confident, move down low. So sitting in this ring sitting is what we're really looking for. We don't want this wide base of support some kids will do here. We really want to encourage their legs coming in. To progress the sitting, they are going to prop sit before they start sitting. And like I said, he just started sitting in the past week pretty independently. That prop sitting is when the hands are down right here. And then we can start to encourage the real sitting without hand support by bringing areas and objects of interest up. Also in sitting, we need to work on being able to safely get to the floor so that when they want to go back and forth from the floor, they can do it safely. They're still going to need a little bit of help with this one. And this is where all our rolling practice is coming into play. So we should be rolling to both sides independently. Can you roll over for us? Do you want it? Can you show me how you roll over? Come get it. We also don't follow commands yet. So we'll skip rolling and show you that in a second. Pushing up on arms and weight shifting is our tummy time milestones for 6 months. So getting straight elbows, being able to shift from side to side because they're going to need that for their crawling skills. They're going to have to shift to move one arm forward. So handing them toys while they're on their tummy. Yeah, perfect, to get that little weight shift. We want to be able to do that on each arm. So we want to make sure we're handing toys to both hands and we don't create a favorite side. Kids actually don't have a hand dominance till about 3 years old. So everything we're doing, we want to do to both sides. Good job, buddy. So we're pushing up on elbows, we're weight shifting, we're rolling. So let's show how we roll. This is one of his favorite toys. If you've watched our other videos, you know I don't love battery toys. This is the only one we have in our house because I love it. It's a great cause and effect. I'm gonna get there. Good job. And it's awesome for that weight shifting. When we're helping them in and out of sitting, we can roll them onto their side and push down on the hip to help them. So even though he's not quite ready to transition independently, we want to take him in and out of those transitions so he's learning those movement patterns and can start to do that himself. If we're always just picking him up and setting him down, you got anything else to say? Then he's not going to learn how to get in and out of those positions himself. While we're on 6-month milestones, a lot more vocalizations. We've been getting some ba-ba-bas, da-da-das. I'm going to say he vocalized mama before dada, so we're going to call it his first word. I don't think it was intentional yet, but we're going to take it, and it was on Mother's Day, so that was his Mother's Day gift to me. Interest in objects and reaching for objects, transferring objects from hand to hand, which you've seen him do while he's playing here. Lots of hands to mouth. We're teething. So if you are not meeting any of these milestones, you can check out our little crawlers course. This is where a lot of these are. Once they hit 6 months, our rollers and crawlers course on our Kajabi page will be super helpful to take you through tips and tricks. When we're looking at our checklist for 6 months, we're looking for sitting, rolling tummy to back and back to tummy, increased vocalization, transferring toys from hand to hand, pushing up on elbows on tummy, and comment below some of the things you think I missed. Good job, 40.